Lexus has released a new set of teaser images for its upcoming TX model, a US-built SUV aiming to compete with three-row German heavyweights. The images provide a glimpse of the interior, showcasing a three-row seating arrangement in what appears to be a 2+2+2 layout, as well as the distinctive Lexus-style door panel cards and a portion of the dashboard. The company also confirmed that the official reveal will take place on June 8. Replacing the previous generation RXL three-row SUV in the Lexus lineup will be this 2024 Lexus TX SUV, which is underpinned by the Toyota Grand Highlander. The RXL was never particularly roomy in the rearmost seat, but the TX should offer plenty of space for adults to settle in back there. We expect a plethora of luxury features. The Toyota version is already plenty pleasant inside, to justify wearing the Lexus badge, but the brand has been so far mum on details. Through some sleuthing, we found trademark applications for TX350 and TX500h, which suggests both gasoline and hybrid powertrains similar to those found on the new, Ford 2023 RX crossover. We expect to learn more about the new TX closer to the SUV's on-sale date, and a full reveal should happen before the end of 2023. It's possible that the TX will be offered in more variants, but for now, we know of just two, TX350 and TX500h. We expect the TX350 to be offered with a traditional gasoline-powered V6 engine, while the TX500h is likely to use the 367 horsepower hybrid powertrain from the two-row RX. Lexus confirmed the new TX will have a three-row configuration in a teaser. This shows 6 seats total, 2 in each row. We don't know whether that will be the only configuration or if Lexus will offer a 7 or 8 passenger version. Toyota has not revealed official pricing for the Lexus TX cost yet. But the two-row RX ranges from $48,980 to $63,150. So, we can expect the three-row TX will exceed those price points.